Okay, my people, this video is the one of the video that US will not allow you. None of them can post this video on their platform. Emeka Git will never ever post this video. Recently, they can't post it anymore. This is the video they organized, one of the propaganda that was planned against, just to prove that Biafrans are following DOS against Biafran Prime Minister Ekpa. When the propaganda that is going against Chief of Staff now, when it was turn of a PM, DOS did everything, including paying people to protest, which we are what we are seeing here now, undermining the instruction of Mazda Marocano, Makandi chata. That was a charter then also. That Mazda gave instruction that people should not protest in our land anymore, because the life of the different life that we go because of that are too many, and they decided not to allow people. Masnamodekano then said that nobody should protest again in our land. That is no longer time to protest. And after they kidnap him, DOS rushed and make a decision and lure this youth out. I'm not going to allow the part where they buy people here to be in this video, but if you know, you know. That was what happened. That was what happened. And after buying them in numbers, those who said they should go out to protest came on Radio Biafra to deny that they are not aware that there will be any protests going on. Onye wegolo obi oshi ewe n'obi eji esu oshi. Onye were obi izu oshi ga-ewekwa obi ọ ga-eji wee gọọ agụgọ. If you can have the courage to steal, to rob, you need to have also the courage to deny and to lie about it. You can see them. There seems to be on uniform, white and white, which somehow resemble the clothes that Matagano wore to the court. What is he wear? The clothes that Matagano normally wears to the how he dressed to appear in the Nigerian court and all that. So they decided to dress in such manner just to show their solidarity of to Mas Nnamdi Kanu. And what happened? Nigerian army led ambush and by them. What I mean by ambush, I'm just using the word ambush because they took them by surprise. They couldn't believe what happened, and they pied them in numbers. Until this day, nobody gave account of what happened to them. Look at them. This is after the kidnap of Mas Nnamdi Kanu. Similar thing that is going on social media today between Ogenkere and the Chief of Staff, Ndikwe and Ndekwe. The way they are pushing people to support me behind the camera, behind the scene, is still the same way that they push these people out to protest. Just connect the dots, because whenever you don't know, whenever this kind of thing, whenever they are fighting or something, two people are trying to fight, to discredit other people, they don't care about the life that is going to get involved. People are not losing their life in our home because the attention of Biafrans seem to have been distracted, even though they don't admit it. But I can tell you that that's what they're playing at. If not, tell me why Fulani, and it is not so too easy, too cheap for the people who were scared of moving in some places in Biafra land are now moving, bragging about it, and nothing is going on, nothing is happening to them. How can you justify that? And it did not just start today. It did not just start, this week. It started immediately after PM was called for interrogation or investigation or whatever they claim they're going to have with him in Finland. But people who knows what happened during DOS time, they seem to have forgotten what the DOS actually wanted. Whether the intention of DOS is genuine or not, people paid with their life. The annoying part of it is that after they lost their life, The same people that pushed them out denied that they're not aware of this protest. The same thing they are not doing to you now. Because some of them have started apologizing. When they apologize, as they apologize, you'll be busy waiting for them to ride on mass. As they are riding us mass, you are busy losing your respect because Biafrans are not mumu. I have a video of when Nigerian army begin to buy them, sending live bullet to them in these people, and they died in their numbers. So many of them died. Okay, you see the way they are protesting now, as if they are not aware of what is coming. Because if you have been following what the activities of Nigerian army versus the IPOB, then no, you don't need a prophet to tell you that they're going to shoot you. The question is, those who send them to come out, what is their intention? Do you think they care about you more than they care about those who want Nigerian to work? But guess what? The so-called leaders who send them out decided to ignore, to refuse to accept that they know what happened to these people. They deny that they're not aware of anything.
Detention of Martin and the Kano in DSS custody. Biafrans are marching in the street of Biafra today, March 2023. They are asking the federal government to make us that we should discharge and acquitted Martin and the Kano, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. As you can see, Biafrans come out in thousands to protest, to demand that Martin and the Kano should be released unconditionally as a people.